My 7th birthday. Thank you to my mommy, my daddy, my gorgeous and pretty ate. I love you all.
Tell her a story, tell her the honest truth. You treat her better, make sure to see it through. Don't be just everything she wants, be everything she needs. When she says she loves you, tell her you love her too. Give her a reason to love all you do. She'll tell you secrets, you'll tell her secrets too. She'll tell you all her hopes and dreams, you'll tell them too. When she says she loves you, tell her you love her too. Tell her you love her too. But don't you run away when you get tired. 'Cause this will slip away. It's so
Nag-ibig na, totoo ba ang pinagama? 'Cause boy, it feels like someone I'm with you. Parang islang pantropiko. Can't wait to go back with you. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Sa islang pantropiko. Kailan ba niya aaminin? Kanyang tunay, ano bang dapat gawin? Bakit ang puso'y napipitin? Salamin sa dingding, nasaan ang pag-ibig? Salamin sa dingding, pwede mo ba sabihin? Salamin sa dingding, nasaan ang pag-ibig? Kissy face, sent to your phone, but I'm trying to kiss your lips for real. Red hearts, that's what I'm on. Yeah, don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the
Happy birthday, celebrant!
Thank you, Beyonce. Thank you, Beyonce, first and foremost. Well, thank you, Lord, para po sa araw na to kasi 7 years ago, binigyan niyo ako ng isang napakagandang gift. Alam ko meron na akong gift sa pagkatao ng panganay ko si Lance, but binigyan mo pa ako ng isang mas magandang gift na naging dahilan kung bakit ako kailangan magpatuloy sa buhay ng mga panahon na yon. So, thank you. Thank you talaga sa kanya.